And I don't wanna lose my soul chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And I'm lost in a feeling that I hate from this world. But going back to Eden ain't gonna be easy, but it leads me straight to you. Now I'm running like the prodigal. I don't need the money, I don't want the fame, I don't want what I can't take with me in the grave.